Have you ever peed in a pool? You will answer this first. Hey guys, this is Preeti.
And I'm Pragati.
So, today we are here to play a game called Never Have I Ever. So, guys, how this works is we have picked up some of the
Random
funny,
questions.
Random questions. So, if we have done that, we will be telling we have, and if we have not done that, we will be
just telling never.
So,
So before we get into this video, we are so happy with the response which we got for the previous video, and we are so excited to come up with even more good videos in future. So for those who have thought only our channel is for cooking video, that assumption is
totally false. So, we will be coming up with new videos.
in different, not just in the same line. We'll be doing many videos which will be creative too.
Yeah. So, welcome back, guys.
So officially,
welcome to Twinstagram. So I will start this game first. So let Pragati pick up. So we both will be giving our yes or no answers for that. So you pick up first, since you are the elder.
Okay. And the first question is, never have you ever cheated in the exam? Oh my god.
I have. What about you?
Okay. Just tell your explanation.
You tell your answer. After that, let's give explanation.
Maybe both.
That can't happen.
Okay. And I have cheated in exam. Not after maybe when I was in primary, when I didn't know to differentiate which is wrong or which is right, and that time together we have copied many times, and that is the funniest
I will
part.
be telling that story.
Yeah.
So
And not after after I reaching certain stage, I have never copied as such. And cheating is not just in one way, right? Even showing someone is also considered as cheating.
Hold
So
it.
many times in my college life have showed many. So that is also cheating. So yes, I have copied.
I must tell this incident. We were in second standard that time, and that day only we returned from our native. We both didn't prepare at all. Preparation was nil. So we had an exam. We had to pass somehow. So what I did is, we were allowed to keep our bags with us. We were keeping it down. So now you must be wondering which is that school. It's Sri Kumarans. So our bags were with us. When teacher was on rounds, I just picked the notebook and I kept it under me and I started copying. I at least
so
with
funny,
my
guys.
own hard work, I copied and I wrote. This female, she was sitting behind me. First of all, I'm copying and I'm writing. She copied from my answer sheet and she wrote.
That was,
Which
you
is
can't
the
forget
biggest
that.
cheating ever.
So yes, both have cheated in exams.
Next question, guys. Fought in public. Have you ever fought in public?
No.
I have. I usually don't go to big fights, but have fought a lot with BMTC bus drivers. You can ask her.
Yeah, she's like next level.
So next question.
Okay. The next question, can you guess? Had a crush?
Well, definitely everyone will have. If we don't have a crush, then we are not human beings at all. I had a crush. I am being frank. I had a crush.
Yeah, even I had. Yeah. In one point of time, everyone will have crush on one or the other person. So it's just normal human nature.
So let's not make it in detail answering who's that, because so I'll be picking the next one. Have you ever peed in a pool? You will answer this first.
You know, everyone would have done this one or the other time in their life. Get in a pool is something, as soon as we get into pool and, we start getting that sensation, that's common emotion that's common emotion for anyone, guys. Come on.
Okay.
I
Yeah,
have.
definitely. Even I have.
Where? Where?
Secret. So, but maybe not after certain age when I was really young, choti.
Yeah, yeah.
Definitely, guys. We are being just frank. By the way, did you notice something? For everything, we are just saying have, have.
No, I have said never.
So, our next question is, have you ever stolen something?
Yes, I should answer this first because I can never forget this in my life. Yes, I have. I think I still have that effect. So, guys, when I was studying, I think I was in second standard. That time there was a shop right next to my school, and outside, right front of this shop, there was a machine wherein we need to insert 1 rupee coin, and we used to get handful of gems. Daily whenever I passed through that shop, I made up my mind so strongly that one or the other day I'm definitely gonna try that. So I, in my, if I go ask my mom, she will not be ready to give me pocket money in second standard. So I tried, that was just 1 rupee, but still, I tried searching 1 rupee all over the house, but I didn't find, unfortunately. And I saw a 50 rupees note which was on table. So I couldn't control myself. I feel like I have to taste the gems. So I made up my mind so strongly that I need to taste the gems, and I stole that 50 rupees note, and I went. And next day after school, when almost everyone were in bus, only I was out waiting for 49 rupees change. That lady didn't have change. She was searching, that was one side, and other side a bus driver was constantly calling me. I don't know what to do. I can't, I had pressure from both the sides, and finally she was able to give me change, and I got into bus, and I easily enjoyed gems. Next day I thought, okay, bachao, I somehow enjoyed. Fine, I kept back 49 rupees there as it is.
She brought back that 49 rupees and kept on the table.
Yeah, see.
People started wondering from where did that 49 rupees come,
I
and
kept
where did
back 49 rupees. I
And-
didn't steal 50 rupees.
she kept back 49 rupees. People were so confused that where is 59 rupees,
Yeah,
and, where,
and
from where
I
is
don't
this
know.
49?
I think that was my bad luck. And what the driver, my bus driver, did was he told my mom, telling, why do you have to give 50 rupees and encourage children in this age? Why are you even giving pocket money? So that's where I got caught, and I nicely got scolding from my mom, candle wax, everything. From then, I have never stolen. Come on!
I have
Come on! Come on, tell the truth.
I have never
Tell the
stolen in a
truth.
big way like this. Scam. She's total
No,
scam.
I kept back 49 rupees, guys. Come on. I kept back.
Stealing 1 rupee or 50 paise is also considered as
But
stealing.
even you have copied, tell the truth.
Listen.
I mean, you have stolen.
I have never stolen. Yes, I agree. I have stolen small things like Goa.
That is, I have. I have. She has.
Small things like Goa, and nearby there was
That
a
is also stealing
Goa
only,
farm.
Preeti.
We jumped the fencing and we bought the Goa.
Okay, now agree, I have.
No, I have
You
never
have.
stolen.
No, she's lying
I
here.
have
She's
not
lying.
done
Don't
scam
believe
like her. She's a total scam. She's
No, guys, I kept back
should
49
be
rupees.
behind bars. She should
Come.
be.
Never have you ever left a restaurant without paying.
Actually, this is a partial yes and partial no, because I have left without paying, and that guy started following me. Madam, ನೀವು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, like that he started following. So it was very embarrassing for me. So I just returned to the hotel and I paid. I got properly roasted, pasted from him for doing that.
So, yes, even I have. But yeah, as she said, not intentionally. sometimes it happens, no, where we forget things and we just come back and later we realize. And there is a incident where I've gone, I've nicely eaten, I've left, and later I realized, and next day I went and I paid back to him, telling it that was my mistake. That's it guys for today. We have come to end of the video. It was so nice recollecting all our memories and hope it entertained you all.
Yes guys, this is something different we tried than the previous one. So we will be trying out different things since we are new to this. Hope you all will always keep supporting us like the previous video. Please like the video and do comment what you feel about this video.
And
guys,
maybe after this video you came to know us better.
Yeah,
we're happy for that.
So we shared a lot of things which happened to us, and we was 100% frank and genuine in each and everything what we told. So hope you guys like the video. So keep supporting us like this. So we will be posting videos, not that regularly but frequently. We keep posting the videos. Keep supporting us like this always.
Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.